Hey beauts, it's Lisshaaleah Beauty and we're back for an eyeshadow tutorial, fall edition. Let's go. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to check out the best of Lisshaaleah Beauty so you can get caught up on any old videos that you missed. And if you're returning, well, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss out on any new Lisshaaleah videos. Now let's get into this fall eyeshadow look. Today we'll be using Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. And I haven't messed with this one in a while, but girl, does it serve some fall colors. Take a look at that. So we're just going to be messing with this palette and do maybe like a glittery look. We've been doing like matte lately, so let's do like a glittery look. So we're going to base out the eyes with concealer and see what we got. Let's get to it. And that's it, folks. If you missed any deets on the makeup, hit my description below and it will give you all the goods that you need. Now, Lisshaaleah Beauty out.